In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip an image in Figma. Whether you are mirroring a photo for layout symmetry or correcting orientation, there are 3 simple ways to do it. And they all start the same way. First, open your design in Figma and click to select the image you want to flip. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue bounding box around it. You can also check the Layers panel to be sure you have the correct layer highlighted. The fastest method is with keyboard shortcuts. With the image selected, press Shift+H to flip it horizontally. That mirrors the content left to right, so elements on the left move to the right and vice versa. Press Shift+V to flip it vertically, mirroring top to bottom. If you change your mind, just press the same shortcut again to return it to the original orientation. These shortcuts also work if you have multiple images selected. If you prefer menus, you can do the same thing with a right-click. Select the image, right. Click on it, then scroll to the bottom of the context menu and choose Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. As soon as you click, you'll see the change on the canvas. This produces the exact same result as the shortcuts. It's just another way to reach the command. You can also flip from the Design panel. With the image selected, look to the right-hand sidebar under the Design tab. In the Position section, next to the rotation angle, you'll find 2 small flip icons, one for horizontal and one for vertical. Click the icon you need, and Figma will mirror the image immediately. This panel is handy because you can see related transform settings in one place. A few quick notes as you work. Flipping is non-destructive, meaning Figma applies a transform rather than permanently altering the bitmap. So you can freely flip back and forth. Horizontal flips swap left and right. Vertical flips swap top and bottom. If your image is inside a frame or group, the flip applies to whatever is selected, so ensure the image layer is targeted if that's your goal. After flipping, zoom in and double-check alignment. Logos or text in photos will read backward when mirrored, which might or might not be what you want. And that's it. Thanks for watching.